How to make Viagra at home. Easy homemade Viagra for men. Health researchers and scientists explain that the juice of watermelon is itself a natural Viagra. According to a report, consumption of watermelon helps the libido to increase in men who have mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. A study published in journal Urology that cirtulline found in the watermelon has amino acid. This improves blood flow even in the penis, and that too without the side effects that one might have from Viagra. This fruit has large amount of vitamin C and has 92% of water and is beneficial for people who struggle with impotence. Ingredients to make this Viagra: 1/4 watermelon, 1 lemon, 1 pomegranate. How to make this? 1. Take a blender and put all the ingredients together and mix them well. 2. Pour the juice in the bottle and store it in the refrigerator. How to consume? Every morning drink 1/3 cup of the juice empty stomach. Follow the same process before dinner. This healthy and natural juice will improve the blood flow incredibly in your intimate part and will help you to perform better in the bed. This mixture can be used by anyone, as it has no side effects.